my sweets, so what you need to do is grab your packet, your pencil, and your name tag. You should find Friday. And what I want you to do is turn to the next page. I see math facts. It says 59A in the top right corner. You see 59A. Please write your name at the top very neatly. All right. Your name tag and your pencil. All right, my sweets. If we look here in our math facts, what's the first thing we're going to do here at the top with 3 minus 1? The very first thing we're going to do is circle that minus. And minus means we are doing what? Losing some. We're to go backwards, smaller number. So touch 3 and take 1 away. Ready, set, go. 1. What number are you at? 2. What am I going to do for 8 plus 1? Yeah, circle that plus. And you can use your eraser. You can use your eraser to touch 8. So here's what you can do with your pencil so you don't have to put your pencil down. Touch 8, and you're getting 1 more. It says plus, so 8, and you hop 1 more. Ready, go. 1. What number are you at? 9. So then you can just write 9, okay? That way you don't have to put your pencil down to hop. 2 minus 1, what am I going to do? Circle that minus. Touch 2 with your eraser. You're taking 1 away. Hop back 1 with me. Ready? Go. 1. What number are we at? 1. All right, 10 minus 1. What are we going to do? Circle that minus. Touch 10 with your eraser. Minus means we're losing some. We're going to go back 1. Ready? Set. Go. 1. What number are we at? 9. Three plus 1. The first thing I'm going to do is circle that plus. Touch 3. Hop 1 more. Ready? Go. 1. What number are we at? 4. Five plus 1. What am I going to do? Yep, circle that plus. Touch 5 with your eraser, and we're going to hop 1 more. Ready, set, go. 1. What number are we at? 6. 7 minus 1. What should I do first? Circle that minus. So I know I'm going back. We're going to touch 7. I'm losing 1. Take 1 away with me. Ready? Go. 1. What number are we at? 6. 4 plus 1. The first thing I'm going to do is circle that plus. So my brain knows I'm getting more. I'm going to touch number 4. Hop 1 more. Ready? Go. 1. What number are you at? 5. 2 plus 1. What am I going to do? Circle that plus. Touch 2 with your eraser. Plus means I'm getting more. Hop 1 more. Ready? Go. 1. What number are you at? 3. 6, and I lose 1. Circle the minus. That's the first thing I do. Touch number 6 with your eraser. Take 1 away with me. Ready? Go. 1. What number are you at? 5. My loves, because it's Friday, you don't have to do these bottom ones. You can cross them off. All right. What you need to do now is turn back in your packet to this page. So you're going to go back to the work we did before. So Friday, you did this yesterday with me. you need to go back and find this page where we colored these yellow. Okay, you need to find this page, 58. Go back. If you need a grown-up to help you, pause me, ask your grown-up to help you. It looks like this. And what we're going to do is we're now going to work at the bottom numbers. Our learning target today says I will add 2 to an odd number. So yesterday we added 2 to an even number. Today we're going to do the odds. So what I need you to do is grab your blue. Take out your blue. We're going to do odds. And I don't want to make my blue run out, so I'm going to use my crayon. What is the first odd number you see? Yesterday, our first even number was 2. So what's our first odd number? 1. So we are going to color the number 1 with our blue. Okay? So, if I have 1 and I add 2 to it, that's an odd number. Add 2 to an odd number. Here's my odd number. I'm adding 2. What's my answer going to be? Touch 1 with me and hop 2 more. Ready? Go. 1, 2. My answer is 3. So my next odd number is 3. So take your blue, color 3. Take your time. If I change this, now I add 2 to my new odd number of 3. I need to touch number 3. Hop 2 more with me. Ready, set, go. 1, 2. What number am I at? 5. So our new odd number is 5. So color 5. Adding 2 to an odd number gives me my next odd number. Just like adding 2 to my even numbers gave me my next even number. All right, so now 5 is my new odd number. And I'm adding 2 to 5, touch number 5, hop 2 more with me, ready? Go, 1, 2, what number are we at? 7, 7 is my new odd number. All right. What's my next odd number? Touch 7, hop 2 more with me, ready? Go, 1, 2, my next odd number is 9. You got it, color. All right, so you're coloring in number 9. When you're done, I want you to hop with me 2 more from 9. So 9 and hop 2 more with me. Ready? Go. 1, 2. So our next odd number is 11. These are the odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Let's hop 2 more. Ready? Go. 1, 2. Color 13. When you're done, hop 2 more with me. Ready? Go. 1, 2. Our next odd number is 15. When you add 2 to an odd number, you just go to the next odd number. Hop 2 more with me. Ready? Go. 1, 2. Our next odd number is 17. Touch 17. Hop 2 more with me. Ready? Go. 1, 2. Our next odd number is 19. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. Hop 2 more. 1, 2, 21. Color 21. Now, are you noticing something like you did a couple days ago, like you did yesterday? What are you noticing? Yeah, here, all these numbers that end with a 1, we are coloring because these are all odd numbers. So if a number, the last number is a 1, it's an odd number. So we can color this all the way down because all of these end with a 1. So all of those are odd numbers. So any number that ends with a 1, you always look at the back number. If it's a 1, it's odd. Make sure you stay in the lines. Awesome. All right, now, did we color any of these that end with a 2? No, why? Because 2 is an even number, so we're not going to color that. 2 is an even number. And I want you to look here. All of these that end with a 3, is 3 an odd number? Yes, so we're going to color this whole row that ends with a 3 because any number that ends with a 3 is odd. Make sure you're staying in the lines and taking your time. All right, I gotta peel my crayon while you finish if you're not done. All right, here, 4, 14, 24, these all end with a 4. So are we gonna color those that end with a 4? No, because those are even. We're only coloring odds. Look here, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. So any number that ends with a 5 is odd. 1, 3, 5. Any number that ends with a 1 for your 5 is odd. It has to end with it. The first number doesn't matter. It's the last number. All right. Give you a little bit of time to finish. Any number that ends with a 6. All right. All these numbers that end with a 5 are odd. All these numbers that end with a 6 are even. So our next odd number is 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. All of these numbers that end with a 7 are odd. So we need to color all of these numbers because any number that ends with a 7 is odd. 1, 3, 5, 7. Any number that ends with those numbers is an odd number. I'll give you time to finish. Now, any number that ends with an 8, are we coloring those? No, because those are even. So these are even numbers. We're not coloring those. Any number here that ends with a 9, 9, 19, 29, 9, 9, 9, 9 at the back, these are odd. So we need to color these numbers that end with a 9. Any number that ends with a 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9 is odd. All right. Make sure you color neatly, stay in the lines. Are we going to color this last row? These all end with a 0. Are we going to color those? No, because any number that ends with a 0 is even. All right, my loves, you colored the even numbers up top, the odd on the bottom. What I need you to do now is you're going to grab your packet. You're going to turn all the way back to Friday. Here's your math facts. We are now going to do our worksheet. So I need you to write your name at the top while I move this. We met our learning target. We added 2 to an odd number. Your name is at the top, very neatly written. And we will write the date together. Oh, that's going to fall off. There we go. All right. Oh, man. Knocking things off everywhere. All right. We have our name at the top, and then we need to write our month and our day in school. So, our month is December, so we need to write uppercase D. E. Next, you need to write lowercase e. D. What 2 letters make that S sound? C. E. What letter says Letter M. December. B. December. What 2 letters say E. R. Then we're going to write the date for today. Today is the 18th. So we're going to write a 1 and an 8. Our cute little comma. And then our year, 2020. All right, today is Friday. My turn first. Friday. F-R-I, F-R-I. We need to write those letters we just said. F, looks like a T, kind of. R, I. F-R-I, D-A-Y. D-A-Y, D-A-Y. Friday. So do our Friday dance. You can write Friday. All right. What number does a 5 and a 4 make? A 5 and a 4 makes 54. So please trace the 54s. And make your own 54. You have to make it 2 times. And then it says how many digits are on the line. That means we need to count how many of those numbers. So remember, we're going to count by 2s. Count with me. Ready? 2 fingers. Set. Go. 2, 4, 6. We have 6 digits on the line, so we need to write a 6. Park your pencil, please. All right, it says the children in Mrs. Castellan's classroom wrote 8 books. All right, so if they wrote 8 books, what do we need to draw? 8 books. Let's not draw rectangles or squares. That takes so long. Let's just make B's for books. Now you got to make them small because we're going to be making a lot more. So you're going to make 8 B's. Make them small. Go back and make sure you have 8. Then it says the children in Mrs. Proto's classroom also wrote 8 books. Oof. So if they also wrote 8 books, what do we need to do? Draw 8 more. Holy smokes. So we need to draw a line and draw 8 more books. All right, it says we need to write our number sentence. How many books did we make first? Do you remember? We made 8. So write in 8. Did we get more books or did we throw some away? No, we didn't lose any or throw any away, so we need to make a plus. We got more. Plus means more. 8 plus, how many more did we make? 8. They made 8 books too. 8 plus 8 equals, do you need to count them or do you know that doubles? 8 plus 8 equals 16. Really keen. We can count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. A 16 is a 1 and a 6. How many books did the children write? 16 altogether. All right. For number 3, it says circle the odd numbers. Which one of those is odd? Is 1 odd? Yes, it is. We need to circle 1. Is 2 odd? Nope, that's even. 1, the next odd number is 3. 1, 3. What's my next odd number? 4 is even, so my next one is 5. These numbers are right by where my paper is folded. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. We just worked on these odd numbers today. Say them with me. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Skip 10. 11 is my next odd because it ends with a 1. 11, my next odd is 13. My next odd is 15. My next odd is 17. My next odd is 19. All right, my loves, you need your brown. Take out your brown for me, please. So we need to color a penny brown. It says color the penny brown. If it says color the penny, how many pennies are we going to color? Just 1. Right here with Abraham Lincoln. Color that penny brown. Take your time. Stay in the lines. Awesome. Then you need your pencil. And we need to draw a line right here between the dime and the penny because that's when we're going to switch to count by ones. How much is a penny? 1 cent. Write a 1 on top. I want you to write the numbers, please. And how much are these dimes? A dime is how many cents? 10 cents. You need to write a 10 on top of each dime. Now we're going to count by tens and ones. So put your pencil down so your finger can touch and count. Touch and count with me. Ready? Set, go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Switch. 61. How do I write 61? A 6, you were writing it up here on the line. A 6 and a 1 makes 61, but then we're talking money, so we need our cent sign. See with a line through it. All right, now we're going to do these switch around facts, and all of these are odd number plus 2. Adding 2 to an odd number, just like our learning target. So if I have, oh, I need my name tag. Grab yours too. Let me scoot you closer so you can see what we're doing. If I have 1 and I get 2 more, I always start at 2. Remember, you can use your eraser. If you have 2 and you get 1 more, now you're at 3. So circle that plus, you write 3. Two plus 1. Again, you're going to circle that plus, had a hiccup. You're going to touch 2. You're going to hop 1 more, and you are at 3. Right, now we're going to do 3 plus 2, and then the numbers switch for the switch around fact. Circle the plus, so we know we're getting more. Touch 3 with your eraser, and hop 2 more. Ready? Go. 1, 2. We're at the number 5. Go to the next odd number. 1, 3, 5. Circle the plus. Who's bigger, 2 or 3? 3 is. So we're going to touch 3 with our eraser, and we're going to hop 2 more because it says 2. Ready? Go. 1, 2. What number are we at? 5. So write your 5. Right, now we're going to circle the plus so we know we're getting more. And we're going to start at 5. So if I'm at 5 and I hop 2 more with me. Ready? Go. 1, 2 is 7. Again, circle the plus. 5 is bigger than 2, so let's start at 5. We hop 2 more. Ready? Go. 1, 2 is 7. They're all the same in these boxes because they're just switch around facts. The numbers are exactly the same, so the answer will be exactly the same. 7 plus 2, circle that plus. 7 and we hop 2 more, so 7 and we hop 2 more. 1, 2 is 9. Again, circle the plus. 2 plus 7, the answer is going to be 9 because 7 and you hop 2 more again. 1, 2 is 9. 9 plus 2, you got to circle that plus. And you're going to start at 9. Put your eraser on 9 and hop 2 more. Ready, go. 1, 2, you're at number 11. And 2 plus 9 will also be, circle that plus, 11 because the numbers just switch places. It says you need your red. Take out your red. And it says trace the line of symmetry in the triangle with your red crayon. So take your red, trace the line of symmetry. So both sides are exactly the same. Cutting that triangle in half. So both are exactly the same. All right, my loves, what I need you to do is I need your grown-up to upload 3 pages for me. I need your grown-up to upload this math page, the math facts where we did the top, and then they need to go back to Thursday and do this bottom part so I can see your odd number. So I need all 3. a great Friday. I love you. And have a good weekend. Bye.